good morning. This is magic. Yeah. I wake up grateful for this day. I choose my thoughts, I choose my way. Before I move, before I speak, I set my energy for the week. I listen to my morning songs, Millionaire Muses all day long. I fill my mind with wealth and peace. I watch my blessings start to increase. Good morning to my dreams coming true. Good morning to the abundant new. I start my day with magic vibes. This is how a queen survives. I don't check my phone, I check my soul. I don't scroll, I take control. I speak to myself with love and grace. Morning magic sets the pace. Morning magic, that's my routine. Starting my day like a queen. Grateful heart, abundant mind. Good things coming on my line. Magic I create. Manifesting my own fate. Today is mine, I claim it now. Morning magic, this is my vow. I speak affirmations in the mirror. My vision for today gets clearer. I thank the universe for what's mine. Before I even cross the finish line, I choose peace over stress today. I choose abundance over delay. I fill my cup before I pour. Morning magic gives me more. I listen to the songs that lift me high. Millionaire Muses, my morning vibe. I program my mind for success. Before I even get dressed, I don't check my phone, I check my soul. I don't scroll, I take control. I speak to myself with love and grace. Morning magic sets the pace. Morning magic, that's my routine. Starting my day like a queen. Grateful heart, abundant mind. Good things coming on my line. Magic I create. Manifesting my own fate. Today is mine, I claim it now. Morning magic, this is my vow. The first hour sets the whole day. The first thoughts pave the way. If I start with gratitude and love, blessings pour from up above. I don't rush into my day. I take a moment, I take my space. Morning magic is sacred time. I protect my peace, I protect my mind. Good morning.